Day 1. Most companies don't fail because they lack data. They fail because their reports cannot be trusted. Excellent PDF based MS reporting still runs most businesses today, and that is exactly the problem. In many organizations, MIS reports are built manually from Excel files and PDF reports. Every reporting cycle involves copying, pasting, fixing errors, recalculating the totals, and validating numbers again and again. This process is slow, error prone, and unreliable for management decision making. So the problem is not lack of efforts. The problem is with the system design. In this project series, we are not learning Python syntax or SQL basics. We are designing and building real-world automated MIS reporting systems. A system that converts raw Excel and PDF input into a clean, validated, management-ready reports automatically. Today is a day one, and day one is not about coding. Day one is about thinking correctly. MIS does not mean raw data. MIS means summarized, aggregated, trusted information that management can use to take decisions. For example, total revenue this month, expense by department, trend compared to the last quarter. So if someone is manually calculating this in Excel today, the logic must be automated in a system. Let's look at this architectural diagram. On left side, we have raw data such as Excel files, table-based PDF reports. These are the unstructured and inconsistent data. And then next to this ingestion layer, if you see, there is a validation. So in this layer, we are going to validate the schema checks, business rule validations. Is there any invalid data? After ingestion, we do not store data immediately. First comes validation. Validation ensures schema correctness and business rules because bad data should never enter the system. Then comes cleaning and deduplications. This removes duplicate data, fixes formats and standardizes the values. Clean data is stored in SQL databases or PostgreSQL database if you want, which is a single source of truth. On top of this trusted data, we run aggregation logic to generate MIS metrics. Finally, the system produces management-ready MIS output in Excel or CSV format. A few important design decisions were made on day one. What are they? First, we support only structured Excel files and table-based PDFs. This reflects real enterprise reporting, not research experiments. Second, SQL is the heart of the system. Excel is not database, PDFs are not data sources. SQL is the system of record. Third, automation comes after correctness. Validation always comes before storage. Notice something important. There is no coding written it. That is intentional. If architecture is unclear, no amount of Python or PySpark will save the project. Day one locks the scope, the flow, and the thinking, so implementation becomes straightforward. From day two onwards, we will start building this system step by step. We'll set up the environment, ingest Excel and PDFs, validate data, clean it, store it in SQL, and generate the MIS reports. This will not be a demo project. This will be the production style reporting system. If you work with reports, data, or management dashboards, this series is for you. Subscribe and continue with day 2, where we move forward to architecture to actual execution. Good systems are not written, they are designed.